everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's Eve. This makeup look, I actually did it yesterday and I honestly wasn't going to upload this video because honestly I feel like it was a total fail, but I still wanted to get this video up because it's the most requested since I uploaded 2 pictures on my Instagram. Everybody has been asking me. Honestly, I don't have time to recreate the look, so I'm just gonna have to suck it up and upload the video. 2 things went wrong in this video. One, my eyebrow pencil that I love the most ran out, so I ended up having to use something else, so my eyebrows did not look good in this video. And then I decided to prime my eyes that I never do, so my eyeshadow from one eye didn't really look good, so I was kind of like upset about it. But you guys, I want you guys to see what I actually did, so you guys, if you would like to recreate it or something, you can definitely go ahead and do that and do a much better job than I did, because honestly I hate myself for not really seeing it. And honestly, since I don't have a monitor, I wasn't able to catch the mistake on time. So yeah. Anyways, I'm using the Morphe foundation. I'm using 2 foundations and I have to mix those 2 colors to get my color. I'm using F2.20 and F2.60. I was on Twitter this morning and a few people were talking crap about the Morphe foundation, and I actually kind of felt bad because honestly this is like my go-to foundation. I really like the foundation. Like, it doesn't go patchy on me, or you know, it oxidizes or anything like that. Like, I honestly like this foundation a lot and I do wear it like a lot. If I can show you guys my desk, I do have backups just so that I have, you know, foundation when I run out. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm just blending this all out and I'm using a beauty blender from Javanesque. I think that's how you say it. They sent me a little PR package and I really love it because I love everything they sent me. So here I am using the Morphe concealer and I'm applying this under the eyes. I really like the concealer. It just brightens up under my eyes, and I really don't use it just to correct anything. It's just to brighten up under the eyes. Like I said, oh my god, I'm here repeating myself. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll blend this all out. I really like how it looks. Like, if I don't know if you guys can see it in camera, it just looks amazing. Like, I feel like it just covers everything and it just looks really nice. So I don't know what people were talking about. I don't know if it's just me, but I like it. So yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm applying, like I usually do, my foundation a little bit on my eyes just to kind of conceal any darkness or redness or anything like that. After that, I go ahead and set on my under eyes and the rest of my face with my Peach Perfect setting powder. I really like this powder. It just keeps me matte all day. I don't have to worry about getting oily or anything like that. I do like to use my sponge to set the powder wherever I conceal. Then I just go with the big Morphe brush and just blend everything out. So I do like to really powder my face because I really do get oily, but with this powder it just doesn't. Alright, so I went ahead and I changed my shirt because I wanted to kind of see what I wanted to do. As you guys can see, I really didn't like my eyebrows, the color. It just doesn't go with me. My hair is dark, so my eyebrows should be a little bit darker than that. So I actually ran out of my Makeup Geeks brow duo in dark brown, and I really love it. It just makes my eyebrows look amazing, and I just need to go out and find another one. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face a little bit. I'm using the Morphe Staycation, and I'm just applying this wherever I want it to kind of make my face look a little bit thin. I honestly didn't like the shirt that I was wearing because it's like kind of like a turtleneck, and I have a round face, so wearing a turtleneck kind of hides my neck, makes me look a little bit more chubbier than I really am. So, but I was like, you know what, I need this shirt to wear for a makeup look, so I'm wearing it for the video for you guys. And it was really itchy too. I was really uncomfortable, but I had to stick it out because, you know, I wanted to do this video for you guys. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's in my hair. A lot of the little things fall off, so they were in my hair, they were like on the floor, they were everywhere. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna use the MAC blush. I will list all the information in the down bar for you guys. I really wasn't going to upload this video. I swear, you guys. Don't hate me in the comments telling me that I could have done better, because I know I could have done better. I don't know. I don't know, but after I had already seen the video, I went back and I fixed my eyes. That's when after I took my pictures, so I couldn't fix it anymore because I had already finished the video. Anyways, I'm gonna go use a highlighter from Morphe. This one is in Lit, and I'm spraying my Royal and Lane Nickel brush. I really like this brush for highlight. You guys can see, oh my god, like it's blingy, it pops. So this one will be great for pictures when you're taking pictures for New Year's and everything. So yeah, so I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my brows, and the bridge of my nose, just to, you know, have that pop a little bit. And I just want to go back and make sure that I blend everything out. So I do go back and just kind of retouch everything just to make sure that I don't lose it and everything is really nice and blended. If you think this is a lot of highlighter, you can definitely tone it down a little bit. And I'm just using the Jaclyn Hill brush to contour my nose a little bit, because if I don't, then it looks like I disappeared my nose without contouring it or anything. So yeah. So here I'm just kind of trying to fix my brows because I honestly don't like how they look. Alright, so you guys can see in the other eye, I could have blended it a little bit better. I have no idea why I didn't catch this. Like I said, I don't have a monitor, so I have to look at the little screen just to kind of see if I'm focused or not. So I didn't get to see that I didn't really blend this out. I could have done a better job, but I just want to show you guys the kind of thing that I wanted to do. So if you guys want to recreate it, like I said, you can kind of follow my steps, just do a better job than I did. So yeah. And you guys know I never really prime my lids, especially with the concealer. So I think that was my mistake of doing it, especially if I didn't know how it was going to work out. So, you know, I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the 39L palette from Morphe. I'm going to use this light color, and I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone. That's going to be my blending color. It's going to help me blend all my eyeshadows. So I want to go ahead and apply that all over my crease, and I do take my time with it. I did have to fast forward a little bit because I was really into it, so I wasn't really paying attention how, you know, slow I was going, and it took me a while. So then I went with a brown shadow from the same palette, and I'm applying this in the inner corner and outer corner, kind of making a sandwich type of look. If I could have changed the look, I would have done it differently, honestly, because honestly, it was just a hot mess, and I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest with you guys. So then I went with the black shadow, and I started to blend that in. I'm using the wrong brush. Let me tell you that right off the bat, you guys. I am using the wrong brush to apply this color because honestly it was just not working out. And instead of me going and saying, you know what, I'm gonna change brushes, I decided to keep going. And that, I think that's what the big mistake that I did, is that the brush that I was applying wasn't to pack on color. So every time I packed color and then I tried to blend it out, it wasn't sticking, it was just kind of lifting. And I really messed up and not, you know, noticing this. I was just so into like doing my look and everything, so I was like, okay, I can fix this, like it's going to be easy. I should have just not primed my lid, because honestly I never do that. You guys know it's rare when I really do it. And then, you know, I didn't really blend out the concealer when I applied it to my lids, so that was another big mistake. And then I just went ahead and I applied powder on top of that, and it was just, I honestly messed up. All right, so from the same palette, I'm using that silver glitter and applying it right in the center. Honestly, this look is fixable. If I would have gone back and fixed it when I was recording it, it would have looked good. But I honestly was like already like done, and I was just so excited to get a video up, and I wasn't going to upload this, but I could have fixed it, honestly, because I did after, and I took pictures. So the pictures came out good, but the video came out like crap. So yeah, my bad. Anyway, so I'm just going back and see, I'm applying the black shadow again, and then, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. The lashes that I'm using are from Araceli Beauty. This one is their new lashes in Mexico City. I just go back a little bit and blend everything out. As you guys can see, this eye came out good. The other one, I could have fixed it. Oh my god, I hate myself for not, you know, doing it, noticing it in the video and fixing it. So yeah, anyway, so I'm just, you know, making sure that everything looks good. I don't know, I was checking. I don't understand how I didn't realize it, that I didn't have it properly. I don't know. So here I'm just applying this beige color from BH Cosmetics. Their pencils are so creamy. Definitely check them out, you guys. I really like their pencils. I'm going to list all the information in the down bar. Try to link everything that I can, and discount codes will be also in the bottom bar. I honestly don't want to be repeating them in my videos because I feel like people get tired of hearing the discount codes. So I'll just put everything in the down bar for you guys, link everything, and attach the discount code for you. So yeah, so just doing the same thing I did. I'm applying a little bit of black shadow on the bottom lashes in the inner and outer corner of my eyes with a pencil brush from Morphe. Then I went with that same glitter. I went ahead and I applied it right in the center. That's all I did. Honestly, I could have gotten away with it if I had done the same thing on the eyeshadow, but whatever. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. Applying the Benefit one. I really have been liking this one, but I keep losing it. I don't even know where I put it, so I keep misplacing it. But it's a really good mascara, honestly, guys. So I'm just applying to the bottom and top lashes. And yeah, I don't really like how my eyebrows came out, to be honest with you guys. It's way too light for my liking. So but anyways, let's go ahead and move on to lips. I am using a lip liner from Morphe. This one is in Sweetheart. I recently went to Morphe and got some lip pencils because I kind of wanted to get into it, like using more lip pencils. So I picked up a few pencils, so I'm going to be using those. Lipsticks, I have a bunch, so I'll just use, you know, lipsticks that I have. So after that, I decided to go ahead and use the lipstick Wifey. That's my favorite one. I can wear this every day. I really like it. So I decided to go ahead with a nude. Since my eyes were really dramatic, I wanted to go with a nudie look. And then I'm using lip gloss from Morphe in Boho. So I'm just applying a little bit of gloss just to make my lips a little glossy. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.